Phew! Today's hike with my cousin and his dogs held a number of surprises, and they weren't the stunning views we expected. I planned a custom route for Sibley Volcanic Park using All Trails Premium app. I just forgot to mind the inclines, and we ended up hiking some pretty steep sections of lesser traveled trails. I had wanted to hike up the volcanic peak this time for what could only be stunning views, if it wasn't so foggy that far up this time of year. As we hiked, we played peekaboo with Carl the Fog. Yep, we name our fog here in San Francisco Bay Area, and you can follow Carl the Fog on socials. We then hiked past one of the labyrinths and the backpack campground. As we approached the campground, we heard peals of bells through the forest. There are two bells just outside the campground that you can ring, and we did. Because who can resist ringing a bell? Well, my cousin could, but I couldn't. We then continued on to the visitor center, where you can pick up more information about the rich history of this park and a self guided tour map highlighting the geology. After that, we continued back to our starting point at the old tunnel staging area. As we left for home, we passed the outside building of the Caldecott Tunnel with its Art Deco exterior blending with the park's forest beauty. All in all, a beautiful and adventurous hike. Later this month, we will be doing our annual Mission Peak hike, where I get everyone at the top to shout, "Cancer doesn't win today," along with me. Drop a comment if you're interested in joining us. Until then, keep on, because cancer doesn't win today.